Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin Cash. On the Bitcoin Cash chart, I'm observing a very similar structure as we do it on the Bitcoin chart. Also, the idea is that the price came down off this most recent high in a wave one. It's a three-wave move down, but the context suggests something bearish in my opinion, or at least something unclear, because the move of the November low to the upside was just a three-wave move. And because that was just a three-wave move, we have to assume that, well, it could turn into a much bigger three-wave move, but I have to assume that also because of the break below the 50% retracement, even though it was not a sustained one, but I have to assume we continue to move to the downside, also due to the overall context of this chart. 1, 2, 3, this could be a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to the downside. Something different could play out. For example, the wave 4 could unfold as a triangle, but it's way too early to confirm that. As long as we do not break above the July high at $332, it could technically morph into a triangle in which all of the the subwaves in a triangle are corrective. So you have 5 waves, but for example, each of these 5 waves is corrective. This would be the first wave, and it could form something like that. But that's at the moment just a possibility. So it could do this. Okay, and then we've got your triangle pattern, and it could break down eventually. At the moment, at least nothing clearly bullish. I think that's the bottom line here, because we haven't got 5 waves up. We only have 3 waves up. That's the main problem. Okay, it did never break and sustain below the 50% retracement. It never broke below our bullish support at $182, but the move off the low is also just corrective. So it's not, had that been an impulse, okay, we could give it a chance, but I just can't. I just can't give it a chance because it's just a 3-wave move. It is unclear how it would achieve a break above resistance and a new high above $332. So I have to prefer a sell-off from resistance against the resistance level of $287. The trend is down. Okay, a break above that level might force the wave count into some kind of a diagonal structure, which is always possible, but I need to see 5 waves above resistance. Then we can say that possibly it's going to extend higher with the projected 3-wave pullback, entry point, pullback trade, and it could carry on higher, okay? To new all-time highs. Basically, if Bitcoin does a U-turn and we suddenly get an alt season, this would be the pathway it's likely going to take, but I think that needs some kind of a catalyst. At the moment, the chart structure, at least at the moment, doesn't give me any evidence for that. So my assumption is that the price is currently moving in this ABC structure, in which it's forming a wave 2. It could still go a little higher, but we have resistance at $235, $255, and $287. And against that range, the focus is on the downside. If we then see a break below the B wave low at $182, that would be the confirmation that the third wave to the downside is unfolding. And again, I'm not suggesting we definitely go to new lows, but it could be that it's just forming a larger 3-wave move here, and we will double check what's going to happen at the end of this wave, because this could be, as I said, just a large triangle. 3 waves up, then 3 waves down, and this will be the next decision point. Okay, if it forms a corrective move up, it can carry on, but if it's this is where it could do this and then this, and just a forecast of a huge range until we really break out. I think that's the main takeaway here. Fairly unclear chart, but resistance is very clear, so it's certainly not bullish. I think that's it would need to prove itself to make me consider something really more bullish. We would need to look at these breakout structures. So not much more to add. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.